Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have a big chop, so the hair is in ponytails and the stylist is cutting those ponytails right off. Most likely the hair will be donated for this one. Oh, a cute little like pixie style. Very cute. And this pixie offers up a nice amount of volume, so a lot of hair you can play around with when it comes to the styling options. Really cute. Ooh. Here we have a beautiful platinum bob, followed by another bob haircut. And we have just a nice little compilation of some bobs. Blonde bob. Bob with bangs. Some layered haircuts. So here we have someone with hair around their shoulders. Oh, the stylist is chopping that hair right off. Definitely looks like she's getting a pixie here. Ooh, very cute. This is like a beautiful structured pixie, very modern. Very nice. Beautiful fashion forward look. So here we have someone with a bob. Looks like she's just getting a bit of a trim here. Ooh. So it looks like she got a bit of a mini bob with this cut. Very nice swooping bangs going there to cover the eye. Or just swoop over the eye. So pretty. So here we have someone with purple hair. Stylist is just cutting off that color. And bam! Cute little pixie style. Cute, simple, and chic. So here we have someone with mid-back length hair. And she gets a nice, refreshing layered cut. Great way to add some shape to your hair is with some layers. And you can do this no matter what length your hair is. You can maintain your length, but add some shape and volume to your strands. So here we have someone rocking out a baby mullet, and she switches things up to the shaggy pixie haircuts. Definitely one of my favorite trends for 2024 would have to be the shaggy pixie. I just love the retro feel and overall look that it has. And then here we have someone with the most gorgeous red hair, and she switches it up to a pixie. Love this. And we have someone who switched up the color on their pixie and went ash blonde.